Hello guys, happy Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to discuss Proton XPR and how to buy XPR tokens. Proton XPR is a cryptocurrency that operates on a unique blockchain network designed to simplify the user experience. So guys, if you are interested in XPR tokens, the current price of XPR is 0.005552 US dollars. So guys, if you have spare money, you can take advantage of the current price of XPR tokens. So guys, XPR is down in 24 hours 7.62%. In 7 days, XPR skyrocket 190%. In 30 days, XPR blast off 285%. In 90 days, XPR blast off 572%. So guys, I bought XPR very cheap before the blast off. So guys, you can take advantage if you have spare money. So guys, if you have coin market cap or coin gecko, you can search for XPR. When you search for XPR, you will click on markets. When you click on markets, you will see list of crypto exchange where you can buy XPR tokens. If you are interested in news about XPR, you will click on news. So guys, don't forget this. So guys, if you want to view the website of XPR, if you have coin market cap, you will click on the website. You click on the website. So guys, this is the XPR Network website. Get wallet, trade XPR. So guys, if you scroll down, you get more info about the XPR network. Built for finance, built for trading. So guys, these are some of the information you will get from the website. If you're a big fan of XPR. So guys, XPR is good for cross-border transaction just like XRP. So guys, you can consider if you want to buy XPR tokens. So guys, you can also download the XPR network wallet. If you are using iPhone, this is the link. If you are using Google, this is the link. If you prefer the web app, this is the link. So guys, don't forget this. So guys, if you want to store your XPR tokens, you can use Trust Wallet. If you want to store your XPR tokens, you can save them on Trust Wallet under Binance Chain. So guys, don't forget this. If you want to buy XPR on PancakeSwap, if you have Trust Wallet, you click on Discover. When you click on Discover, you will see DEX. You click on PancakeSwap. So guys, don't forget, you have to connect your wallet. And make sure you have BNB in your wallet. So guys, you can swap from BNB to XPR. You can swap from BNB to XPR. So if you want to copy the XPR address under the BSC chain, you can check coin market cap. So guys, you can swap from BNB to XPR. So guys, don't forget it. This is how you buy XPR on PancakeSwap. If you want to copy the BSC address, you will check coin market cap. So guys, this is the BSC chain address. The first one is for Ethereum. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.